But if I told you this entire portrait was created using just a pencil, from a completely blank page to something that looks almost real? In this video, I'll show you my full process step by step, so make sure to watch until the end because the final result might surprise you. I always start with a very light sketch. At this stage, I'm not focused on details yet, I'm just trying to get the proportions right. I lightly map out the head shape, then place the eyes, nose and mouth. It's important to keep your lines soft here so it's easy to adjust if something looks off. One thing I always keep in mind is balance. If the eyes are too high or too low, the whole portrait can feel unnatural. So I take my time in this stage. Even though it might look simple, this is actually one of the most important parts of the drawing. I start very lightly and slowly build up the tones. Instead of going dark immediately, I layer the graphite little by little. This gives me more control and makes the shading smoother. I focus first on the areas where shadows naturally fall, like under the eyes, around the nose, and beneath the lips. This step starts to give the drawing depth, turning it from flat lines into a more three-dimensional form. I move on to the hair. Hair can look complicated, but I break it down into sections. I use quick, directional strokes to follow the natural flow of the hair. This helps create movement and volume. Instead of drawing every single strand, I focus on shadows and highlights. That's what really makes it look realistic. This is also where I start adding more contrast to the overall drawing. Go back and blend some areas, especially the skin. Blending helps create smooth transitions between light and dark tones, but I'm careful not to overblend. I still want to keep some texture so the drawing doesn't look too flat. I also refine the edges and clean up any rude lines. Now, I begin refining the facial features. The eyes are usually my favorite part because they bring life to the drawing. I darken the pupils, define the eyelids, and carefully shade around them. Small details here can make a big difference. For the nose, I avoid using harsh lines. Instead, I use soft shading to define its shape. The lips are also built using layers, light tones first, then gradually adding darker values for contrast. At this point, the portrait is starting to look more realistic. happy. This is where everything comes together. I add final details like highlights in the eyes and subtle shadows around the face. I deepen the darkest areas to increase contrast. This step really makes the drawing pop. I take a step back and look at the whole piece to see if anything needs adjustment. Sometimes small changes can make a big difference. And here's the final result, a fully hand-drawn pencil portrait from a blank page to this just using graphite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more art content. And comment down below what you'd like me to draw next. See you in the next video.